Welcome to my class admin. In today's video, we'll see how to use Notes module. In this module, you can share up to 500 pages of notes with students course-wise, batch-wise and subject-wise. You can even download and print the shared notes. So first, we will log in, then go to Manage Notes and then click on Notes. In order to utilize all the benefits of this module, first you will have to sign in with Google account. Here just enter your email ID and allow the permission. Now we'll start by adding notes. Enter the name for the new note and save. On the left hand side, there is the option of plus sign for adding the sub module inside the main module. Again enter the name for the sub module and save. The next step is to upload the file in the sub module. For that, click on upload. Make sure the file you want to upload should be present in your system and it should be .pdf extension. So choose the file and upload it. There is also a view option next to upload for reviewing the file which we have uploaded. Now the final and important step is to publish the file. For that, first we'll publish the main module, then we'll publish the sub module. So for publishing the main module, we'll click on Unpublish button. One dialog box will open. Then select the course, batch, subject you wish to publish. Now again, for publishing the sub module, we'll click on Unpublish button. Here the course is already selected. So now select the batch, subject and publish period, means from and to date, and click on Apply button. If you want to give permit to students for downloading and printing the notes, then select yes or no accordingly and simply click on Publish button. Now we'll see how the published notes are visible to students. First, student have to log in. Then on the left hand side bar, student can find the option of notes. Here they will be able to see all the previously and latest uploaded notes. Now again I am coming to class admin's account. Here you can see the last option, archive. If you select this option, then you can keep all the notes aside for the later use. If you archive main module, then all the submodules will also be archived automatically. Click on yes. Now on the left hand side bar, there is the option of archive, which is below the notes and notes history. Click on the same. Here you can view and unarchive the notes. Now coming to the notes history part, here you can find all the previously uploaded notes and their details. Means, notes are created and updated by whom? The course, batch, subjects of notes. Also you can check the actions and it is performed by whom. Means you can find that the file is created and published by whom. Also you can check the date and time. So after all the process, in the end, you can log out from the Google account by clicking on log out option. Thank you.